Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. This is Learn English Through Daily Life. Today, we will learn how to speak on a phone call. In simple English, don't worry. I will use easy English and speak slowly. Let's begin. Basic words: call, answer, busy, message, network. These words are very useful for phone conversations. Now, let's learn sentences. Hello, who is this? Can you hear me? I will call you later. The network is weak. Please leave a message. These sentences are used every day. Now, listen carefully.
Hello!
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, too.
Where are you?
I'm at the shopping mall.
Oh, nice.
Can you hear me clearly?
Not really. The network is weak.
Okay, I will speak louder.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I think so.
Let's meet for coffee.
That sounds great.
What time?
Maybe around 5 p.m.?
Perfect.
By the way, did you finish your project?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, I need to go now.
No problem.
I will call you later.
All right, take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Useful expressions. Can you hear me? The line is breaking. I will call back later. Talk to you soon. That's all for today. Now you can speak on phone calls in simple English. In the next episode, we will talk about shopping online. If you enjoyed this, please follow and share. And remember, learning English is easy when you practice daily. See you next time. Goodbye.